Hello, Hero Mobile Marine here. We're here at beautiful Farragut, Tennessee, and we're working on a Malibu wake setter today. The speaker, he's got one speaker right up here. That's giving him a hissing noise, kind of like an engine noise. When you rev the engine, you can hear it going. So probably a wiring issue that we're going to try to solve, maybe a grounding issue. I haven't given him an estimate yet. I haven't even dug into it. So he's also got two speakers, one here and one over here. And those are also giving him intermittent issues. They will cut out on him sometimes and then come back on. So we're going to try to figure that out today. I'll just try to keep you guys involved and try to keep videoing, and there'll be more to come. So just stay tuned, and thanks for watching Hero Mobile Marine. Okay, we're down here in the engine bay. First thing I noticed right offhand, which is normally a reason why speakers are hissing, is a grounding issue. And look at that, man. Not even tight. I can just pull it right off, and I didn't loosen that, I promise. It's trying its best to get connectivity, so that's definitely an issue. We'll look at the other battery. Oh, that's the Fosgate grounding wire, though. Goes from there, comes around. You can see it, the Fosgate grounding for all the amplifiers. So it's definitely a concern. Those are loose too. Guys, if your battery can do that, it's probably not doing much. Look at that. So we're gonna tighten those up. We'll be right back. That right there is what we're trying to fix. You can hear it. You can hear it in that speaker as well. That one seems to be okay. That one's okay. These sound good? Nothing in those. Okay, we got rid of the engine noise. I was gonna show you. The engine's running. There's the RPMs. So the engine's running. As you can see, there's no sound coming from there. No sound coming from there. And the radio is on. Turn it up. Sorry, I'm a little sweaty, but so I was just gonna let you know the gains were off on the radio side. So I went into the settings and just adjusted everything, faded it back to normal, and balanced it out. So it's one thing I read, if the gains are off on the amplifiers and the settings and stuff, it'll cause some speakers to hiss. It'll get some random noise in there. My hair is crazy because I've been stuck in this hole for a little while. So we got rid of the hissing. All the speakers are working. We tightened our connections on our batteries. That seems to solve the intermittent speaker issue we were having up here. I'm sure that was causing all kinds of issues with the boat vibrating, and you got wakes going and people are skiing and you're blasting noise anyway, so there's a lot of vibration. So if all your connections are on the positive and negative side of the battery are loose, your amplifiers are going to be cutting in and out and everything else. So got those all tightened down, everything's buttoned back up, and whether it's this guy go, no, he's good to go. Thanks for watching Hero Mobile Marine. Y'all have a great day. God bless you.